Hi guys, my name is Ishayu and I am going to tell how this wind vane or weather vane works. This is the weather vane. Are you observing these two strips? Wondering what is it used for? Okay, let me explain. This wind vane or weather vane is basically used to locate where the in which direction is the wind blowing. These two strings are used to locate where the air blowing. Let me tell how does it work. When I blow from the front, I am showing you. Then these two strips will go forward, and this is how we will know that the wind is going towards the front. So, by this manner, we understand the wind, where the wind is going. Thank you.